diesel heater. Here's the countertop. So I think that'll fit in my planer. I think. Not much going on with the boat right now. Not really the time of the year to be working on the boat. Things are too cold. Mast's all buried up there. Just on enough incline that in case water gets inside, it'll run out. Clean off the snow because it weighs down the plastic. But anyhow, as soon as the weather breaks, you get some warm days, which it's almost melting right now actually. So hard to do boat work when it's like this, but sure pretty out. I haven't been filming much because it's been very tedious work and patient trying, I guess, slow work of trying to get the bathroom in order. So we'll go have a look at that now. The old septic or sewer is now filled up. That one I gotta reuse. That's for the sink, and this is a big one here. So I got a little bit of. So this is what I've created. We got some work to do here. Fill this stuff in, fiberglass and stuff. Paint it. I'll make it look pretty. Try to make it look nice like this. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it, like that. For I don't know. We're gonna have a composting toilet, so we need a place to store sawdust. So maybe that's what we'll do with this space. Show you what we got going on here. So this is the drawer that's going in there. I won't put it in there right now because I got wet paint there. So anyways, everything's looking pretty good in here. This was really eat out with rust, so I built it up with some welding. That's all good to go now. So anyway, the plumbing in this boat's gonna be better than what's in my house right now, so we're going all out with so I'm just gonna go with PEX. It's just easy to do. So that's up there, which it didn't have, so that's an addition. So another day, another task completed. Anyhow, I just want to show you what it looks like with the hot water tank in there. Anyways, now here, this looks like a mumble jumble, but it all should work. That door I could make. Yeah, I got these shelves to put back in along here. I got this thing up here to put up, and then it's going to be kitchen or galley work. So we'll see. And then, okay, so that's good for that. Got the drain through hall put in. That's this boat had something bolted on or screwed on to the deck outside at one point. We don't know what it is. So now I'm working on this. So the old ice box, we're getting rid of that because we're putting in coolers with compressors for freezers and stuff because we're going to be living on board. So I just took out the sink here. And there's the old sink. And so we got a new sink here, taps and everything. So countertop's coming off. I don't know. I'll probably make a new one, I guess. I'm not sure. For 1967. I'm surprised how well this stuff is on still. There's what the countertop looks like. So I gotta duplicate that size wise, and I'll see what I got for wood here. So I'm gonna try to get this top off, maybe get this box out. got some material sawed for the countertop for the boat. So here it's all a tree from the property here that I cut down, and it's maple. So we're gonna saw that in strips. We're gonna have like a butcher block. There's some more over here. Just to recap that, I got a cover for that hole, wooden cover that I made instead of the curtain, such the chain. I guess chain locker for the anchor. I'll show some pictures of what was there in the ice box. So the countertop ice box was here. Took all that out. That was a big job. Lots of styrofoam, and it's a mess. And so then I wanted this electric cooler. Got on this so it slides out. So you can get at it, and then this will be our freezer. I'm taking off here now. This countertop's gonna go all the way across here into here. It's gonna be all countertop. And up here I've been doing some work, windows. So I took out the windows and I'm putting in these. They're just cheapos, but they're cheap enough that you can just replace them easily. One that was here, I actually had to make it a little bigger to accommodate that one, so it's a little bit bigger window. And it had a bigger window originally in the boat, and some of the wood was all rotten here. I'll show some pictures. The wood was all rotten, so I had to fill all this in with fiberglass. And then I put a new window in there, so an extra window. So bang bang, 3 windows on each side. So I just got that completed and got some paint on it. And that was a big messy job. There's a layer of dust over everything now. So I have a diesel heater, the cheap Chinese diesel heaters. I got one over there, so I'm gonna lay in there. So there's gonna be 2 of these. I don't like the engine or fuel fill right here in the floor because you can get water in there. So I'm gonna pipe that over to here somewhere probably. So a fuel tank went across there. That piece of plywood sat across there, and the fuel tank sat on top right here. So I'll put it back there, no problem. This is all rotten here, so I gotta get rid of this now this morning. So you see it's a bit rotten there, so I'll show pictures after I'm done here of that. Yeah, it's like 28 degrees outside, and then of course we got this plastic, so it's like a sauna. So there's a steering mechanism under there. All that's painted, cleaned up over there as well. On days off, back out at the boat. Took a long time. It's been a long time since I've been working on it because I was away for work and then away for holidays, vacation. So finally just getting back to it here yesterday, so made some progress. So started working on the countertop. I'm gonna make a butcher block countertop. So here we go. Maple. There's trees from the yard, so I've sawed, milled. So now I've started. I got 4 pieces put together yesterday, so it's in progress. Slow, but it's going so far so good. So I'm working on that. Installing the heater right now. Diesel heater. Here's the countertop. There's a little triangle piece I need there, and then this is the actual main piece of the countertop, butcher block style. So today the project is to get this leveled up and get it in place and cut out the sink and all the stuff that's associated with that. So anyways, and there's a triangle piece I need. This has got to be cut on an angle, so I think that'll fit in my planer. I think I'll get that planed up. That'll make that easier. Yeah, I'm gonna reinstall the dash panel. I call it the dash panel. Wood come from here, tree, just like this one. That's where I sawed it from, right there. Maple tree, and then I took it over here and sawed it up on my bandsaw. Cut it like this. Then I cut it into strips. Let it dry for a bit. And I brought it over here, cut it into strips, and this is what I got left. And then just glued them together. And actually this is the piece I cut out for the sink, so now I'm gonna make a cutting board out of this one. So I'm just doing some sanding here now. So it's almost, this piece here is in here separate, so I'm gonna glue that together. Looks pretty good, I think. Here's a new door for the chain locker up there. That's all painted. Ceiling's painted here as well. Everything's painted. This was brown, now it's white. Everything's all hooked up for water. Bathroom's all painted. It's all one color now. Oh, chain plates are in. That's a big improvement. Chain plates. I was getting a bit of leakage from my tent I got built here, and water was getting in a little bit, so I wanted to get that done. Yeah, and that's all good to go. I got the windows in, the new windows. So remember, I had just the windows back here, and there was a big gap of nothing. So now I got these. These are cheaper windows, but they're easy to, plastic. They're easy to cheap to find, and countertops on, sinks all hooked up. Water, sewers, or drains soaked up. Just finished putting the edges on here, so that's all done. Got the heater, Chinese heater hooked up here. Got a whole new electrical panel and wiring there. That was a good job there, just to get all that organized. Fuse box updated to blade fuses instead of glass ones. Got an MMSI number now, so I'm getting ready to install the ASI. Yeah, the ASI, I guess, the ASI and the chart plotter. So we're coming along. We're coming along, and this is October right now, so I'm winding down. We got new switches and stuff here. New panel. Got lots of painting done. So, countertop. I got everything on it here now, but I got the edges on it. Sinks in. Just installed a new light. Got the lights in. And it's actually, this one's got a USB, so it's charging. It's all working. Good morning. Just here working on the boat. Trying to put these grab handles back on. I used these years ago when I built my airplane. I haven't used them or seen them since. They were pretty rare at that time. It used to be just these wood screws. So yeah, I'm very happy with that now. We got more grab handles there. They're for outside, so we got to do a lot of work outside first before we do those. So now I think where we're at now, I think we're at the point where we're gonna get the water going. Yeah, all looks good so far. I did have a leak up here. This fitting I didn't have tight. So, anyways, I don't know what pressure we got, but it seems to be pretty good. Hot, cold. Just gonna put it everywhere. When there's lots, put on lots. There's very little, use it all. Saying of the day. Here we're sizing up foam requirements to get some new foam. We purchased the foam from Amazon, and we're starting to figure out what we need, how much we need, what type of foam we need, the thickness, and we're going over the covers to see if the covers are reusable. Cockpit cover, which is inlaid with this teak wood that's not repairable, so I use this different type of it's kind of a boat flooring of some sort. The electrical system's come along well. We have 4 100 amp hour lithium batteries in there, and 400 watts of solar panels. Saw an earlier video, we stripped out all the plumbing, all the sewer, all the toilet, everything. So this is the composting toilet I'm building here. Got almost done. I just got to put it together here now. Could have made it, but I just decided to purchase this one, so it fits good. So let's have a look here. So here's the toilet seat, right? And you see how it looks here. Do your business there. And the liquid goes down here. It goes into a bucket. Kind of given up on this. I think this is done. I don't think this is salvageable, and I don't have the yeah, it's not that important to me to replace this with. I also got this to do as well. So now I'm looking at this, and boy oh boy, this is something else. Some of it delaminated, of course. I don't know what they used. I don't know what's I don't know. Hard go. This is the best way I can figure out how to do this. You're basically grinding the wood away. A skim of resin over there. Just let it all settle. This is a good surface, good glass surface for this. Actually, here it is right here. And you can see, so it's got white lines in between, which is what I want, because it's gonna easier to do the edge there and keep it all nice and clean, tidy looking. So the rail where this sits up on the boat itself, got all that sanded. Just got to put a little bit of paint on that.